Alright, mega love shoutout. Nandito tayo kabsat sa Senate hearing number 38 January. Wait, ito ba yun? Wait lang
regime.
Ito ba yun?
Sponsorship. But in case of controversial resolutions or bills, we do give it some time. Yes. So I think the request is...
Ito to. Punta muna natin itong si Mr. 10K. Si Boy 2K muna. Boy 10K muna. Ito to. Here we go.
Number 256. This is the resolution authored by Senator Pangilinan and several other colleagues. I'd like to ask... I so move, Mr. President, and then we can recognize...
Any objection? Hearing none, the consideration of Senate Resolution 256 is in order.
We recognize the minority floor leader, Mr.
Minority.
Minority leader, may gustong sabihin ha. Pakinggan natin kung may laman ang sasabihin ni Mr. Boy 10K.
Leader is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Magandang hapon po. Sir President, napaka-importante nung resolution na to, hindi lang dahil sa issue sa West Philippine Sea, but also because of many other issues, our economic ties, people-to-people ties, our OFWs in Hong Kong, in mainland China, in Macau. That's why the minority, through myself, wrote a letter to the majority leader and yourself for your consideration po, na rather than adopting the resolution, we call a committee hearing.
Nako po, instead ni-adapt yung kanilang resolution na majority 15 senators gusto nilang gawin, magkaroon muna ng committee hearing daw mga kakabsat. Si Leonardo, Allen Valencia, Elvira, Macwan, LC Mix Vlogs, mag-committee hearing. Pag-usapan daw nila to sa committee hearing. Ibang klase ka talaga, Boy 10K.
I think napakalalim po ng issue na to, and it will be good for us and the public na malaman talaga natin kung anong talagang sinabi ni Commodore Tariela at ano yung palitan ng...
Gusto nilang imbestigahan ano ba talaga sinabi ni Commodore Tariela. Kala ko ba alam nyo na? Di ba? Ang dami nyo nang sinabi, mga kalyado mo kay Tariela. Dapat alam nyo na. Ano pang i-hearing nyo? Narinig nyo na pala, di ba?
Kuro-kuro. Having said that, while it's under consideration, I'd like to thank you and the majority leader for allowing na mag-sponsorship muna today. And it was a tradition in the 19th Congress that it's not a rule, it's a tradition na after the sponsorship, you give everyone a day or two before we go to interpellation and adoption. But in that day or two, if the majority would see it fit to call a hearing rather than going straight to interpellation.
Kung gusto nito daw mag-hearing instead na interpellation, ibang ganito rin ang ginawa mo sa impeachment ni Lustay di ba? Naka po, ibang klase talaga ito si Cayetano, ibang klase.
That would be in my view best. But again, Mr. President, we rule by what is the pleasure of the majority. So
tama, dapat ko anong pleasure ng majority. Hindi na kayo yung dating nandyan, no? Hindi kayo masusunod.
Will submit sa wisdom ng majority. But may I put that on record na baka maganda na magkaroon tayo ng hearing about this issue. Thank you, Mr. President.
Sinong gusto magkaroon ng hearing muna? Pag-usapan muna sa hearing na gusto nilang mangyari itong si Cayetano, no? Kasi meron silang ginagawang House bill dito, mabsat, no? Na House resolution sa ginawa ng China, mabsat. Ngayon, kinokontra muna ito, kinokontra ni House minority kasi nga kailangan daw pag-usapan muna sa hearing. Ano ba talaga yung pinag-usapan? Imiksi patatagalin muna. Ito na nga, harap-harapan na. Ito na, pag-uusapan na. Interpellation na. Naka po. Shout out Jonas Benavides.
Of course, seriously consider the recommendation of the minority leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr.
Well,
President,
just for the record, we have indeed made it a practice that when a bill is sponsored, we give it time for interpellations a day or two thereafter. In the case of resolutions, usually we pass it the same day or after
resolution the same day
after sponsorship. But in case of controversial resolutions or bills, we do give it some time. Yes. So I think the request is quite in order. Yeah, so
sa first part reasonable pa, pero nung nilabas na ni Senator Hontiveros yung ginawa ng Chinese ambassador na naman na nag-post na naman kaninang alas 3. Nako po, nag-iba ang ihip ng hangin. Mamaya, makakarating tayo doon.
Majority Leader.
Therefore, I move for the previous motion and ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure. Ayun, no? But
After na siguro. Yeah.
maybe we can ask. Yes, but we need to ask the
It's already
Secretary.
on the
to read the
floor.
title of the
It's
measure.
already considered. We ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure and ask the sponsor to
Yes, so we can recognize the
deliver
sponsor,
sponsorship
Senator
speech.
Pangilinan, after he reads
Yan
the
na.
title of the measure.
Senator
Yes.
Pangilinan.
I didn't have the
Secretary
title of the
recognized.
measure earlier, Mr. President.
Resolution expressing the stance of the Senate in condemning recent public statements issued by the Embassy of the People's Republic of China concerning Philippine officials and institutions, and affirming the right of the Republic of the Philippines to assert its sovereign rights in accordance with international law.
Yan na.
Senator Francis Pangilinan.